Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you into Huck's World, and yes, it's time for the giveaway. I want to thank you guys for being really patient. I had 6 days to work. We had the event for Samsung with the foldable display, and then we had Huawei come right behind them, lighting up the trail. So it's been a good week. Hopefully you caught those videos. If not, I'm going to leave them in the link in the description down below. But we want to get you in. We want to get you out. I want to thank everybody for participating. We want to thank SMZ and PW for the donation of these watch faces. And you know SMZ always gives us a lot. So everybody who commented on the page, for the most part, are winners. Now, if you're from the US and I don't have your email, email me. It should be going across the screen right now, and I will leave it in the comment section down below. Cool? We got a bunch of winners because this guy gave us a bunch of watch faces, right? So let's go ahead. Let's get in. Let's get out. And this one, we're going to start with SMZ for the X Band. We got Todd. We got Flesh. You're a winner, my friend. We got Usman, Gary Gray. We got Jonathan in the building. Congratulations, Jonathan. We got OZ Bale, always supporting the channel and representing. We got Adrian. We got Gary Giller. We got Vince. We got Jackie. We got Daryl in the building. Listen, congratulations, you all. I think I may have 2 more for the US. So if I didn't get you and I don't have your email, hit me, email me, and whatever I have left, I will give to you. For the overseas people, I got you. You know you are. You're the normal people who I normally give watch faces away to your country. And with that, that's going to be it for the X Band, which my man SMZ lit up. But we got one from PW. We got some more that we're going to review from PW, so just stay tuned for that. Of course, the overseas people, we got you. Again, same countries. The PW 136A, which was beautiful. We got one winner, and that winner is going to be Vince. Vince turned out to be the winner for that, so congratulations to you again, Vince. But I want to thank everybody for participating. Thank you for commenting on the channels, and I hope you had a great weekend. And listen, it's time to get back on the Monday grind, people, so I hope you're rested. I hope you're ready. And with that being said, all right, you all, again, thank you for your participation, and enjoy the rest of your night.